take action quick. So the purpose of planning the day the night before is for you to eliminate decision fatigue. So what's happening with us is pagkagising natin sa umaga, saka pa lang tayo nagde-decide. And there are times that we're stimulated by social media and a lot of things in our lives. So what will happen is, decision pa lang pagod na tayo. Ang dami mo nang iniisip. And then, kapag nakapag-decide ka na, okay, today this is what I want to do, it will take a lot of energy and a lot of time to make plans. So wala ka ng energy. So when you take action and you face obstacles, you don't have the energy to follow through. If you have insights now, na teka, parang kailangan akong gumawa ng video, do that right away. Kasi alam ng katawan mo, alam ng utak mo, alam ng puso mo yung dapat mong gawin. Kailangan mo lang siyang gawin. And taking action quick is something that I've seen in millionaires and multi-millionaires and the billionaire clients that I have. Kapag may sinabi ako sa kanila ito yung dapat gawin, gagawin nila agad. So after watching this video, I strongly recommend you take action right now.